Hi, my name is Jim Austin. I'm from TouchStar Technologies, part of Belgravium Technologies plc. I'm here to talk to you today about the TouchPC Hawk and how it is used within the oil and gas distribution industry. Many organisations today are anxious to be able to utilise data that they're collecting in the field to much greater effect. They want more and more of that data to be collected and transmitted back to the office. And the reason for this is that they want to be answering questions about key performance indicators, such as how much has it cost me in money, time, manpower and carbon to make this particular delivery. TouchStar first started this field data collection back in 1991, and we've increased the level of sophistication of our systems over time, culminating in the release of this current system based around the TouchPC Hawk. The TouchPC Hawk is able to connect to a variety of different sensors and items on board a vehicle to collect information about the vehicle's performance, the driver's performance, and indeed the state of what is being carried, such as fuel or gas. In combination with this, we're able to collect the position of the vehicle at any point in time and the level of product that's on board at any point in time, and that allows us to be able to produce a variety of different pieces of information which lead to answers for these key performance indicators. At the start of his day, the driver can log on to the TouchStar system directly via a PIN, using a PIN, or via his driver card through the digital tachograph. The TouchPC Hawk sits on a quick release cradle which allows the driver to easily take it out of the vehicle to perform his vehicle checks. In addition, whilst the Hawk is inside the cradle, it could connect to the engine management system of the vehicle and be able to collect information such as diagnostic codes about the vehicle itself. The combination of diagnostic codes which comes from the engine management system could be very useful because it might indicate, for example, that the clutch is about to fail within the next few thousand miles, and that in turn could be passed to the maintenance department of the vehicle operator or a third party and scheduled for repair. The touchscreen will display large buttons, so that means that when the driver is outside the vehicle, perhaps with gloved hands, it's easy for him to still use the device. TouchStar use a variety of different navigation tools to integrate with our applications. Navigation obviously is used to guide the driver to the location where he's going to be performing each of his jobs. The advantage of having it integrated is that the application can program the navigation software, and therefore the driver doesn't need to be transposing information about addresses or postcodes or anything like that, so there's no mistakes made. An advantage of integrating the navigation software with the application is that there's just one single device for the driver to look at and to use, and that at the end of the day can also be removed from the vehicle, which reduces the risk of theft. The TouchPC Hawk can connect to a variety of different devices on board the vehicle. These include vehicle weighing systems, valve monitoring systems, metering systems and tank level gauges. Data collected from these devices and subsystems can be used individually or in combination with each other to provide more detail about the activities that are operating in the field. And this is how we are able to produce data for the key KPIs that our customers are asking us for. The TouchPC Hawk can also be equipped with RFID readers. This allows us to be able to use RFID key fobs to identify drivers when they enter the cab, or we can use the TouchPC Hawk out in the field, so we can take it out of the vehicle and identify assets in the field. The camera that is fitted to the TouchPC Hawk can be used for a variety of different functions. This might be for collecting pictorial evidence of damage that's happened to the vehicle in an accident, for example, or to give further information about a problem that the driver has noticed with the vehicle during his safety checks.